Hello dear friend, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can hide your contact number in Telegram apps. Okay, so if you think that your friend know about your contact number, and you want to hide it from them, so how can you do this? Just follow my step, and after watching this tutorial you will learn this easily. So now let's begin the tutorial. Here you can see the Telegram apps. Just click on your Telegram apps, and after that you need to click here three line left right corner. Click on that, and after that click settings here, and then scroll down little bit. Then you will find the option here privacy and settings, this one. Just click on that, and after that you can see here phone number. Okay, you can see here phone number. Just wait a second. Phone number, just click here, and then you can see here who can see my phone number. Everybody, my contacts, and nobody. When you select nobody and then click tick mark, and then no one able to find or see your phone number after that. Okay friend, I hope this video was helpful, short and simple tutorial for you, and please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this tutorial.